Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your customer engagement with Sendinblue, full guide step by step clearly. Begin with a clear understanding of what customer engagement means. Next, create an account on Sendinblue's website. Once registered, navigate to your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the main features available. Start by importing your contact list into Sendinblue. Make sure to segment your audience for targeted communication. Explore the email campaign feature to design engaging newsletters. Utilize the drag-and-drop editor for easy customization. Incorporate personalization tokens to address customers by their names. Consider using A/B testing to determine the most effective content. Set up automated workflows to nurture leads and retain customers. Ensure compliance with GDPR by adding the necessary consent checkboxes. Monitor your email performance through the analytics dashboard. Track open rates and click-through rates for insights on engagement. Utilize SMS marketing to reach customers on their mobile devices. Engage with your audience through chat features available on your website. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Gather feedback through surveys to understand customer needs better. Implement feedback into your future campaigns for continuous improvement. Stay consistent with your branding across all platforms. Utilize Sendinblue's CRM features to manage customer relationships effectively. Always prioritize customer privacy and data security in your communications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.